Welcome to ItzRafiq. In this video we are going to discuss about tables in HTML. Tables are collection of rows and columns. Tables we use to represent information in a systematic way in a web page. By using table we can compare the data, we can analyze the data, or we can represent numerical information, for example mark sheets, bills, etc. Now in a table we'll get this part. You can see this table. At first caption is there. It is the name of the table, and the first row of the table is known as table heading, and it is created by th tag, and each row in a table is created by tr tag. After that the remaining cells are created by using td tags. Means in first line we will write th, then tr, then th, after that again tr, then td. So we'll come into details. So to create table in HTML we have mainly 5 core tags. There are many more, but these are five fundamental tags. First, table. A table begin with table tag and ends with closing table tag. And after writing table we have to create the row for the table. That can be done by using tr tag. Tr tag, it is a container tag. It create a row in a table. After that td tag, it's create a column or an individual cell in the table. Then th, it's create the heading of the table. And last but not the least, caption, it's create or it is used to define the title of the table. Now creating a table in HTML, first we have to use table tag, then the table end with table closing tag. After it we'll create a tr tag to create a row, and when our row is finished we will close the tr. Again we will continue tr if we have multiple rows, and if our table have a heading then we will use th tag. Inside the th we'll write the heading column name, and if we have multiple column we'll continue it. After that, and when we write th tag, whatever content we will write inside the cell, it will be bold format and it will automatically come in center position. After that we have td tag. It is used to create individual cells. It start with td tag and end with td tag, closing td tag. And you remember th and td tag always comes inside tr tag. So this is important. Now format of a table, you can see here one table format is given, caption, then tr. Inside tr, th is repeating 3 times. That means there are 3 columns. Again tr, inside there 3 td's are there. Means this table will have 3 columns and 2 rows. Among them one row is heading and one row is information one or data's one. Now let's create a table ourselves. So we can open any text editor. So let's open Sublime. I am using Sublime right now. So here is our Sublime text editor. Let's close the previous files. And we'll save the file at beginning. File save. That file name we can give as table.html, and location I am selecting as desktop. So my location is desktop and my file name is table.html. Now the first line, that is always doc type HTML. This is the first line of a web page. After that we'll write HTML, then we will close the HTML, and inside HTML we will write head tag, and inside head we will write title, and inside the title name of the table. We can write table 1. Then we will close the title, and after that we will close head. Then we will create body tag, and inside the body tag we will write table. And now suppose I am creating a table where we will store the information of our student. So at first, after the table we will write caption tag. We will write caption tag. Inside the caption we will give the name of the table, let it be student information. Now we will come to next line. Now here we will create a table row. For that we will write tr, that means table row, and here we will write the column name. We will write th. Suppose at first we have roll number, so roll number, then th close. Again we will come to next line, th, here we will write name, then th close. Again th, let it be marks, then th close. After creating all the columns, we will close the tr. Now our table have 3 columns and plus 1 row. Now if we want to write the information, so we will continue the tr again, and in here instead of th we will write td, that means table data, and here we will write the information like roll number 1, again td, name Rohit, then td will be closed, again td, then marks, let it be 80, then close, and after that tr close. Now suppose my table is finished, my table has just 2 rows, then we will close the table tag. After closing table tag we will close the body tag. Now my table is created. Now we'll save the file, file save, and we'll go to the desktop folder and we'll get our file there. So let's scroll. This is my file, so let's open it. This is the table. Now you will see here the table, it comes without any border. Just the first line, make me little zoom so that you can see it nicely. So you see the name of the table appears at top, and the column names which we are written in header th, under th, this comes a bit bold and in center, but as there is no lines or borders, so you will not able to see anything. Now we'll see how we can give border to the table using CSS. So after title we will write style block, style, type text CSS, and inside that we'll select table, comma, we'll take th, comma, td, and bracket. Here we'll write border, suppose 1px, we can give 2px as well, border 2px. This is that number identify the thickness of the border. By the we can give 1, 2, 3, whatever we want. If we need more bold border, then we can give bigger numbers. After that, the style of the border, there are different kind of style, especially solid, that means a simple line. Dotted means the line will composed with dot dot symbols, and dashed, the line will composed by dashed symbols. So I am giving here solid. After that, the color of the line, let it be red. Then we'll save the page, we'll go back to the browser and reload. You will see the table have a red color border around it. Now we'll see between roll number and name, these two cells are different cells and there is a space between them. Now to remove this space, what we will do, we will write again table property here separately. Here I am giving comma because there I want to set border for each one and they are common for them. So I am giving comma and writing just once, otherwise we will have to write 3 times. If we write the border property only in table, properties for the border only in table, then what happens, the border will appear only on table tag, not in the header and datas. That's why we have to write this way. Now again table, and here we can write border collapse, border collapse, then collapse. Now we'll save it and just go back to the browser and reload the page. Now you see there is no space between the cells. Now if we want to display the table's title at down or below, then we have to use caption side property inside table. So we will write here caption side and we'll write bottom. By default it is top. Remember, caption side property is used to set the position of the table's title. So when we reload the page, the name will appear at bottom. Now if we want to make the table little wider, then we can use width property in table. So here we can write width and whatever we want. Suppose I want 40% of the screen, so 40%. So let's go and reload. So width is 40%. As I already zoomed, so screen becomes smaller. Let's zoom out and you will see. So it is 40% of the screen. And we can give padding. Padding specify the empty spaces between the border and the content of the cell. You will see this is the border and this is content, and there is just a bit little space. If I need more spaces, then inside TD and TH we can use padding property. So we can write as well here padding, let it be 10 pixels. Save and just go and reload the page. Now you'll see there are empty spaces around the border and the content of the cell. So 10 is, I think it's more, we are giving 5 pixels. So it's done. Now suppose I want rounded border around the table, not inside the cells, only around the table. The border should be rounded, means the corner should be rounded up. So what we will do, we can use border radius. So we'll go inside table property and here we can write border radius and how much corner we want, let it be 10 pixels. Save and let's go to the table and reload it. You will see it doesn't work. Let it be here. Save and let's reload. I think some issue is there, it's not working, so we'll see afterwards. Now colors for the table, how we can set colors, background colors. Suppose I want for TH and TD both separate colors, so we'll have to write separately. First I am writing TH, so here background color, and the background color is blue, and I am giving text color as white. This is for table heading. Now for table data TD, I am giving background color as light blue and color as dark blue. So it's done. Now save. Let's go back to the web page and reload the page. Now we'll see the first line it changed into red color, and the second line it's light blue color, and red border is not looking great there, so we will change it. Our border color is here, so instead of red I am giving some other color. Let it be black. So this way we can make an attractive table by using CSS property. We can make our table attractive and more appealing by using CSS properties. Now from here, what type of questions will be there? First question, what is the main tag to create a table? It will be table. What are the tags to create a table? Why tables are useful in HTML? What is the difference between TD and TR tag? Then how can you create a row in a table? What is the use of caption tag? How can you display the table name at bottom of the table? How can you give space between the border and the content of the cells? What is the use of padding property? What is the use of caption side, etc. Some more questions will be there. I will give the questions at back after explaining this, but one more part is there, images. So till then stay tuned. After that we'll have some model question papers for your unit test. Thank you for watching. See you in a new video. Till then take care and bye.